Hey Brian, so what we're doing today is we have, I think it's a diesel customer. This is a customer who has sent us some pieces in. They're currently cleaning this, correct me if I'm wrong, I think they're doing it by hand. So it's very time consuming and it's very labor intensive. So tell me a little bit about the samples that we have on the stool here today.
So we started off with this one right here with 120 aluminum oxide. When it originally came in, it came in very, very mucky, a lot of black substance on there, and we cleaned that out.
Was it oily? Did it have grease and grime on it?
Just a bit. That aluminum oxide actually cut out everything and complemented this finish for even getting prepped for powder coating. The customer, they're looking for something more of a polishing finish. We used our glass bead at 100 PSI to complement this finish right here.
How long did it take you to get to that finish?
This type of finish right here took literally less than probably 3 minutes.
Okay, all right, and it's very consistent. It's hard to believe that was black to begin with. So tell me about this finish, like how did we get there?
So we originally started at 40 PSI just to allow that brighter finish to come in and that polishing effect to kick in by lowering the PSI.
Okay.
And then after that, we just literally kicked it to the pump pressure.
So you turned it all the way down to zero, basically.
We turned everything down to zero and just to brighten that finish with the glass bead. And as we can see right here, wow.
Yeah. Oh gosh, it's a major difference. Like it's night and day. And I'm pretty sure that this is probably the finish the customer's looking for. This is the second time this customer has sent us sample parts in. The first time we sent him all the different products and this is the finish he chose. So he wanted to see if we could duplicate that. So we've got probably 4 more that we need to do and get that finish on.
Right there.
Yep, and then hopefully we'll be able to get a good review from him and get some information back. You guys let us know if we can do anything for you. Give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.